Welcome to Moments, a comprehensive omnichannel customer engagement hub designed to help you increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and build long-lasting relationships through highly personalized interactions across your customers' preferred channels. I'm Thais Chang, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can configure and store all the important customer data, and how you can efficiently send out relevant content derived from important customer information, their interests, and activities. Moments is closely connected to people, where all the data and insights on customers collected from different touchpoints are stored. So as a starting point, let's see how you can upload all your contacts to people. This is a crucial step on your Moments journey because it enables you to build rich customer profiles in a single place and segment your audience based on their preferences, loyalty plans, preferred channels, etc. Ultimately, it helps you create targeted and personalized communication experiences. When you select the icon, in the upper right corner you'll see two buttons: Import People, which lets you upload the whole database of your customers with the data that you already have about them, and Create Person Profile, which you can use to add a single customer manually. When you select Create Person Profile, you open a card you need to fill out with customer information. As you enter all the information you have, select Create Person to add the customer to your database. Now you should be able to see the new person profile on top of your customer list. Now that you have your data in place, you need to segment your audience. Segments are dynamic lists that allow you to target specific people and keep them engaged through personalized and relevant messages. To create a segment, select the Create Segment button. All you need to do is give it a name and define segment rules, which you do by pulling the data out of people profiles, like addresses, language, preferences, activities on the website, and so on. The next thing we'll cover is how to track changes in customer profiles and their activities on the website. You can configure the activities you want to track in the Events tab. Events allow you to segment the audience and trigger communication in real time based on customer activities. That way, you enrich each customer profile and be able to create truly personalized, customer-centric messages delivered at the right time, on the right device, and via the right channel. To create a new event, simply select the New Event Definition button, give it a name and additional properties you'd like to track, and save it. Suppose there are some other activities you'd like to track on a case-by-case basis, like changes in a person's profile or their activities on specific channels. You can just switch them on and off as needed by selecting this check mark. To implement events on your website, your developers will need to use the Infobip Web Sdk. Now that you've set the stage, go to the Moments tab and you can start sending hyper-personalized and targeted communication to your customers. Moments gives you a clear view of all your customer communication campaigns. To create a new campaign, you have two options, broadcast and flow. With broadcast, you can create communication campaigns in a matter of minutes. The intuitive visual interface guides you through the process of creating and sending targeted one-way messages over a preferred channel. Flow enables you to automate communication processes by creating one- or two-way flows. It allows you to tailor the communication for each step of the customer journey. Whether you need to inform, educate, engage, onboard, support, send special offers, or ask for feedback. Let me show you how you can easily create an SMS campaign to remind your customers to check the website. In the next screen, choose From Scratch option. Now you need to choose the entry point to your campaign. In this case, we will use a predefined audience because we will be the ones engaging with the customers. We are now in the Flow Builder. To start, simply select the arrow and choose the next section. In our case, we first want to define the audience we want to target with this campaign. To define the message, add the SMS message box and specify the sender and the content of the message on the right. To track the customer's reactions to our message, we will add different tags to customers who opened the link and to the ones who didn't. That way, we will know how successful our campaign was. We will do so by adding a Wait for an Event block and define the event we're waiting for. In this case, we are waiting for an SMS link clicked event. Now let's focus on segmenting your audience. We will do that by adding different tags to different reactions. Tags will be saved into people, so you can use them later to segment your audience further and personalize content. As a last step, we will set up a thank you SMS that will be sent to customers who opened the link. Our campaign is now ready, but before launching it, we want to add a goal to our campaign to track its success. I'll select Set the Goal in the upper right corner and choose SMS link clicked as a success metric. All we need to do now is name our campaign and select the Validate button. Then select the Launch Now button, and the campaign will be on its way to the targeted audience. Finally, we've come to Analytics, where you can monitor your campaigns and give full actionable insights into engagements, conversions, responses, and more. To track campaign performance in real time, just select a specific campaign on the dashboard to get more details on audience engagement. When you select the View Flow Performance button, you'll be able to see the summary and costs of your campaign. Once your campaigns are launched and well underway, you will need to analyze their success. Go to the Analyze tab, where you see a dashboard that gives you an overview of your account statistics with all the key analytics and reports. To get in-depth channel statistics, select the channel and time frame you want to inspect more closely. You can access all the in-depth reports in the Reports tab. To create a new report, select the Create Report button. You'll be able to set up one-time or recurring reports and include different custom fields depending on your needs. Once you've set it all up, name your report and select the Create Report button. That's it for now. I've given you a quick walkthrough of moments to get you started, but to really dive into the hub and get a clear understanding of all its features, start your free trial and give it a go at your own pace. Thank you for watching.